Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to become a delivery driver on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official grubhub.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. If you're opening up the mobile application instead of the website, it's going to look a bit different, but it's basically the same thing, only your options right here at the bottom of the page. So guys, now let's go back to the website itself. So guys, let's say we want to become a delivery driver. There are two options guys. First option is the easier one. If you are on the website, just go ahead, scroll down guys all the way until the end of the page and go ahead and see there is an option right here that says partner with us, and you're going to go see multiple options and you want to click this for drivers option right here, which is going to open up this new web page where you can get started registering. But guys, if you're on your mobile phone, just open up Google guys and search for Grubhub become delivery driver, and it will open up the exact same thing. The first result is going to take you to the same page. So guys, now we can get started with registering. So choose a state, choose your city and click on next, and just go ahead guys and go next until you enter all of your info. You have to be at least 18 years old, so just wait after entering all of your info for them to review your application, and they will let you know if you have been accepted and if you can get started with driving. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.